I'm back already with another video. This video, I ain't even about to explain. Y'all already know what type of video this about to be because it's in the title. But before we get into that, like, subscribe, and share. Period. Because if you're not, then what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Okay, so this about to be a quick little video. Real quick, real simple. Don't judge my nails because I'm about to get my nails done. Okay, I don't know about y'all in this quarantine, but I'm finna go get my nails done. Because Corona ain't stopping nothing. This party still finna be rolling. Don't mind my over here because my wig is coming up, y'all. But today, I am using Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade medium brown. In the last video, you seen that I used the pencil. Now, in this video, we about to use some dip brow. Okay? Little quick eyebrow video. I'm not doing my foundation. I'm not doing nothing. Just gonna do my eyebrows for y'all. So, oh shit! I just be dropping stuff, y'all. Okay, so let's get into it. And I use, ooh, my nails look so horrible, y'all. I should have waited, but I use this. Okay, super quick, super simple, and now we just about to clean these brows up. Okay, so if you watched my last video, you seen that I did not use foundation for the top of my brows. I just straight out used concealer. So today I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use my concealer for the bottom, of my brows, and then I'm gonna be using my foundation for the top of my brows. Okay. that's it. On, and that's the end of this video. Okay, and we are finished with this eyebrow video. Y'all, I actually do like my eyebrows better this time. I don't know. We still got room for improvement. But y'all gonna be with me every step of the way. So, okay, hope you guys liked my eyebrow video. Hope you guys like my eyebrows, my lashes. And let me know any tips y'all got. If you do it any differently, just let me know so I can try it out. I actually like this way better though. They real cute. They real cute. But anyways, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. And I will see you guys next time.